Welcome to Which Is Better. Today I'll try my hand at changing out this ordinary countertop to a custom epoxy countertop to give back to my local sheriff's office. I recently tested tactical flashlights, including a law enforcement issued light that they loaned for that video. I'll leave a link to that at the end. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos and like, comment, and share. I need your help to grow my channel. I'm using countertop epoxy that is mixed in a 1-to-1 ratio. For my initial coat, I need 1 gallon of product. I'm using a plastic mixer on my drill and mix for over 2 minutes. Once mixed, I pour out some product into 3 plastic cups so I can add colors. My primary color is Rust-Oleum 2X green, which I spray directly into the epoxy and mix well. I also spray blue, black, and white. In the white, I added a little pearl flake for additional effect. The wood slab was constructed by Bill at the county using plywood, which I painted green. Notice the hole in the top. I'll explain that later in the video. Because I mixed in 1 container, I mixed again on the surface to ensure complete blending of the product. I'm using a plastic body filler spatula to spread the product. I'll create another short video with lessons I learned from this project, so don't forget to subscribe. I'm using my hand to coat the edges to make it easier for the products to flow over. Now I begin applying the color. I want a thin blue line across the piece because we will install a decal later. I add a little extra near the edge for it to flow over. Next I add the white and then the black. I use the point of the spatula to blend the colors for a more natural effect. Then I spray on metallic gold and metallic silver paint, blending the same way. Interestingly, this paint dries very quickly, which made a very nice gold flake appearance. I sprayed 3 types of metal flake mixed in alcohol too, which was green, pearl, and gold. I checked for divots, torched to remove the bubbles, and when it is thicker than honey type consistency, I scrape the drippings from underneath to save me some sanding time later. Once dry, I sand with 220 grit paper and clean well with water and a microfiber cloth. Roberta from the sheriff's office professionally installed the decal on the piece. Once he was finished, I mixed up another gallon of product to do a clear coat. I spread that with the spatula as well. I rubbed product on the edges, torched the bubbles, and scraped the drippings like before. Once done, Jeff with the county maintenance department professionally installed the new cabinets, countertop, and backsplash. The drill hold I mentioned before received a grommet to allow a clean appearance while being able to run wires for a printer or a coffee maker. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did, and remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Be sure to click the link to watch my lessons learned from this project as well. Thank you for watching.